Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Today, me and my brother are gonna go pick up a car. A nice little Toyota Matrix from IAA, a nice 5-speed manual with, I believe it was sold as a theft recovery. It has very minor body damage, which looks like it was previous body damage. I guess we'll see. Maybe now it's gonna be a perfect car and it's gonna be a quick flip and make some good money. Stick around and we'll see you guys at Insurance Auto Auction Incorporated. Made it to IAA. It's a little bit windy, but we got the car paid for, got the title, got all the paperwork. We are just now waiting for him to pull it out, and then hopefully it runs and drives with no issues. We're gonna take it back to the lot, do some stuff around there, paperwork and whatnot, and I guess we'll see what else today will bring. Tried bidding on this one. I was gonna do like 1,200 bucks, but it went for I think 17 plus auction fees. This is the only damage around the rear tire right there, and I think it's the SES, so top of the line. There she is. So this is the previous damage I was telling you guys about. It happened sometime before. There's some clear coat fading. Andre's on top of it. We're gonna check the fluids. Tires look to be in pretty darn good shape. Toyos. Clearly it's a little bit rough. I mean, it's not a new car. It's a theft recovery. So who knows how long it was out. You're struggling there? Nice. So the engine bay is pretty dirty. It should be up top, no? Oh, there we go. But it is a Toyota, so.
Fresh oil change, very fresh.
Ooh, that is fresh.
Very, it's like a little just.
Yeah. Let's check the oil cap. I'm assuming everything is gonna be okay. Sorry for the wind. This place is always windy. But it's actually nice. It feels good because today is surprisingly a very, very nice day. Okay, oil cap is clean. Oh, what is this? Oh, it expires June 2017. This is something that I need to start bringing always. We keep forgetting. So that light is on. I'm assuming we're gonna be good. Andre, am I good? Our maintenance required light is on, which is just a reset of the maintenance. We got a screwdriver right here. We're gonna let it run and warm up. Let's see. All gears feel pretty good. All right, let's let it run. Dang, look at that fresh pipe. By the way, this is, which I didn't notice, is the XR. So as far as I know, this is top of the line Matrix. Andre, I think this was a good buy.
Yeah.
Clearly it needs some cleaning up. This motor is dirty, but it sounds really, really good. And I don't hear or feel any misfires. First 1,000 feet. This thing feels really good. Very buttoned down. There's no weird noises. The clutch feels nice and stiff. So I'm assuming it's not the original clutch. Yeah, it runs really well. So I guess we'll see, make sure it doesn't overheat or anything. And let's take it to the shop. I'll see you guys there. Here is the latest. Runs great. AC works, radio works, heater works, power moonroof works. I got a full tank of gas, which is super surprising. It is not overheating. Yeah, to the lot we go. I think this was a really, really excellent buy. It just needs a good cleanup. Made it, absolutely no issues. Runs really well. Actually, one thing I want to check. If it's an all-wheel drive, it does not look like it is. It's still nice. Now I'm just gonna go inside, do some paperwork, catch up on a few things, and we'll go from there. Might take it to get detailed today, we'll see. Aren't you guys glad you're subscribers and you're watching this video? Because right now we're gonna try to finish up the S2000 from a few videos ago. Brother just went and picked up the bumper and everything. Whoa, there you guys are. I mean, there I am. So There it is. Bumper and everything. So this should be a pretty easy job, removing the bumper. But our thought is this might have shifted just a tiny bit. Are they plastic or metal? Metal. Little bolts. Interesting rubber piece. Oh. We're gonna turn the tire to the left so we could have easier access to that bumper bracket right there. There we go. Wrenching away as I sit here just watching. So there's these bolts that are on the whole perimeter from the bottom of the bumper, and those are 10 millimeter. And then you have two bolts in here that are on the bottom right there, if it'll focus ever. But they're just where the fender and the bumper meet. Those are two 8 millimeter bolts. Actually, sorry, there's 1 millimeter bolt here and one on this side, so a total of 2. And then the bumper, this little plastic piece just slides in right here under the headlight, and all you do is just pull it back. And since the car was an accident, these little tabs right here, they kind of broke where this other bolt is supposed to hold them with the fender up top. But after that, all you do is just rip it apart. Well, I have to rip it apart because, as you can see right here, the reinforcement bar is kind of pinching it in. Oh, there it is. And the bumper's off. So, I'm glad to say the frame rails look straight, but the reinforcement bar, not so much. Boom! Isn't that a surprise right here? So there we go, guys. This is the big damage item, but it looks like just 2 bolts holding it in place. Everything else seems pretty straight. Yeah, this plastic got pushed up a little bit, but well, yeah, because it'll go back in place once the new reinforcement bar is in place. Yep. And this. Curious how much a new reinforcement bar is. Look, guys, reinforcement bar did its job, and it didn't go towards the radiator. And with that, we are done with the S2000. We cannot clearly complete it because of the reinforcement bar. I mean, we just can't sell it like that. So we're gonna put everything back together. We have made one of the offices a storage room, so there's that bumper. Andre's gonna put the old bumper in here also for now. And we're gonna order that reinforcement bar. Acura is gone, and I think we're gonna start working on the tarp, finish up that final corner. You guys see this? My lot is looking pretty empty, but look out for another video. I got 2 more cars coming, and both of them, as far as I see, have check engine lights. So make sure you subscribe, because that video is coming very, very soon. Here is the tarp. Grab the scissors. Whoa! Guys, this is the nicest day all year. There hasn't been a nicer day than today. Like, this guy is wearing a t-shirt, and I've been tempted to wear a t-shirt also, but for now, rocking a thin hoodie. We're gonna start on this side and move backwards that way. Here is the finished product. We didn't cut off these zip ties, as you guys can kind of see them here. So we will get that done later today. But for this video, this is gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for joining. As always, there are semi-trucks driving by causing noise, which is totally fine. Oh, gotta pick that up so we don't pop a tire. See, when they did the fence, they left a whole bunch of these. And so now every time I see them, I try to pick them up and get rid of them. But as I said, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Make sure you subscribe because we are picking up a few cars in the next video. So make sure you don't miss that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video.